Hey guys, Mark and Twine here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, more sales, and more reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Xerveo business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. Absolutely no fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one bonus for the very end, stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown, with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact simple three-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboards for recruiting and to hit the leaderboards for sales with another company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted leads to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. And this way, you can get highly targeted and qualified prospects of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others have done who have already accomplished what you want to accomplish. You're going to create similar content going after the same keywords, and you're going to use a tool called TubeBuddy to help you to do this. This tool allows you to go to the video you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. These tags are the keywords that you're going to use to rank on Google and YouTube to get traffic to what you have to offer. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrases and make sure your title goes after multiple keywords while still making sense. You want to create a description that's 300 words in length and scatter your keywords throughout this description. Place your link at the top of the description. Create a thumbnail using canva.com and save your thumbnail as your primary keyword. Here's some quick tips. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat, just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word verbatim exactly what somebody said, but you want to create 3 to 5 minute content that goes after the same keyword. Use Open Broadcast System to share your screen and save your video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. If you're marketing to everyone, you're essentially marketing to no one. Once you find out where your target audience is hanging out, and in this case is most likely going to be like-minded network marketers, then you want to reach out to them with a first message. Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I've been noticing the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, so I think it would be great if we could connect. It'd be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? By starting out with a first message like this, you're going to start to build your audience. As you build your audience, you want to engage with those people on your timeline. Good ways to engage. You can ask a question, fill in the blank, I love my blank, quotes, engaging pictures, blog posts are all good ways to keep people engaged. You want to make 5 to 10 new connections each day. The Tony Robbins fan page and Robert Kiyosaki fan pages are really good places to start. Be consistent in these groups. People will get to know you from your comments and comments on the posts of others as well. Your mindset should be around making connections and not closing prospects. As you build your audience, you'll be able to engage with more and more people. You want to post curiosity and not resistance. So that's 9% personal and 10% about your business. The 10% about your business could be results of others or it could be your own results. The 90% personal, those are pictures of yourself, pictures of your family, pictures of food, pictures of inspirational quotes, messages, random questions, and fun polls. A good curiosity post is going to lead to somebody reaching out to you about your business. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. Some people may reach out to you and say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link. And I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this. I'll see you on the other side.